You've probably never heard of this company, but it's worth over $3 billion. And its business model can be recreated from home using one simple AI system. No coding, no hiring, no expensive software development. I took a proven concept, simplified it, and started offering the same type of service to small local businesses. And the demand was instant. It's a strategy many beginners are using to land their first paying clients and build real monthly income. So if you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or constantly searching for something that actually works, this might be the turning point. Before we go deeper, tap the like button, drop a quick comment, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next videos. It's beginner friendly, no tech skills needed, no marketing background required, no upfront investment necessary. Today, I'm going to break down the exact multi-billion dollar business behind this strategy. You'll see what this company offers, how much they charge, why businesses pay them every month, and how you can offer the same type of service even from zero. The company is called Podium, and Podium helps small local business owners get found online. Think chiropractors, electricians, dentists, orthodontists, real estate agents, home services, gyms, clinics, and many more. These businesses rely heavily on online visibility. The more reviews they collect, the higher they rank on Google, the more customers they attract. If that makes sense so far, hit like and comment "I'm following" so I know you're with me. Podium built a platform that solves these problems for them. And the result? By late 2023, Podium was valued at over $3 billion after raising more than $400 million in funding. But here's where it gets interesting. You don't need to build what Podium built. You don't need investors. You don't need engineers. You don't need capital. Because all the features Podium offers can now be delivered to clients using the software. A system that lets you offer Podium-style tools under your own brand instantly. So let's look at what Podium actually offers, because this is exactly what you'll be able to provide through the software. When you open their menu and explore their solutions, a few things stand out immediately. AI Reputation Specialist, reviews. This is their core feature. It helps businesses get more 5-star reviews on Google and Facebook. Why does this matter? Because more reviews mean higher ranking. Higher ranking means more customers. People choose the business with the best reviews every time. The tool sends automated reminders via text and email to recent customers asking them to leave honest feedback. No fake reviews, no spam. Just simple automated follow-ups that business owners don't have time to do manually. Leads, phones, and SMS messaging. This feature captures leads directly from a business's website and funnels them into one inbox. Instead of phone calls being missed or website visitors leaving without contacting anyone, the system responds instantly using AI and automation. It can handle incoming calls, outgoing calls, website chats, SMS conversations, missed call texts. This alone saves businesses countless hours and prevents lost opportunities. 3. AI Concierge and AI Salesperson. This is where Podium really modernized local business marketing. AI can answer inbound questions, respond instantly, qualify leads, schedule appointments, guide customers, and follow up automatically. Imagine a business having a 24/7 digital assistant that never forgets, never gets tired, and never leaves a customer hanging. That's the power of this feature. 4. Payments. Local businesses often struggle with invoicing and payments. Podium built an integrated payment system that lets owners send secure, trackable payment links directly through text or chat. It makes collecting payments faster and easier. 5. Contact profiles. This stores every customer, past and future, in one simple dashboard. Businesses can tag customers, track interactions, view history, and market to them with ease. Together, These tools form a complete growth engine for small businesses. Here's the key insight. All of these tools, reviews, messaging, payments, AI responses, contact storage, can be offered through the software without building anything yourself. This is how beginners become software owners without ever writing code. If you're starting to see the potential here, hit like and drop a comment saying software so you stay in the loop. Let's walk through how that works. When you open the software, you'll see nearly almost identical features. Reviews, messaging, web chat, AI responses, automations, payments, integrations, and contact management. It's all there, pre-built, pre-designed, ready to activate. For example, reputation management. You click reviews, open the settings, connect the business's Google and Facebook accounts, and the system is ready to request 5-star reviews on autopilot. This alone is enough to help a local business grow immediately. AI review responses. You can turn on automatic replies so AI can respond professionally to new reviews. You can set when review requests go out, how often, what message gets sent, and what workflow triggers them. Everything is click and go. Messaging and automations. Just like Podium, inside the software, you'll find web chat, unified inbox, instant SMS replies, missed call text back, automated lead workflows, custom triggers, appointment reminders. Businesses love this because it makes them look professional, fast, and organized. Payments. Payments are built in as well. You can connect the business's payment processor and enable them to send payment links directly through chat or text, something that immediately increases conversion rates. Integrations. There's a full library of integrations with CRM tools, calendars, website builders, and scheduling apps. This allows businesses to connect their existing software seamlessly. All of these features are the reason Podium can charge $399 per month for their base plan and $599 per month for their advanced plan. Local businesses don't question this pricing because the software helps them generate far more revenue than they spend. And when you offer similar tools through your own software, you can charge the same pricing and keep 100% of the revenue because there are no commissions or splits. Before I show you the income breakdown, tap like and hit subscribe so this reaches more people. Here's why this model is so effective. Most of the setup is done once. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to connect accounts, a few clicks to activate review automation, simple toggles to turn on AI responses, one unified inbox to manage all conversations. After that, the system runs on autopilot. Businesses see results, and you generate recurring income every month. Here's the income math. One client, $399 per month. 5 clients, $1,995 per month. 10 clients, $3,990 per month. 20 clients, $7,980 per month. This is how people are creating real, predictable online income. Local businesses need this. They want more reviews. They want more leads. They want faster responses. They want automation. They want organization. When you provide the solution, they stick with you. Month after month, year after year. That's the power of recurring revenue. This is a clean, modern approach to building an online service business. A business based on value, automation, and simplicity. And once you understand how Podium operates, how the software mirrors those exact capabilities, and how easy it is to activate and fulfill these services, you'll see why this model has become one of the strongest, beginner-friendly opportunities available today. If this opened your eyes, hit like, comment below, and subscribe for more breakdowns just like this.